Let's make some money for today, amigos. So I have two contracts which are expiring today. One is JP Morgan, strike price of $99. That's going to expire today. And the current value of JP Morgan is 98.38. Morning it started way down at 95. I did not expect it to climb so much, but that's good. This is the ideal scenario. That is, you have a strike price, and on the Friday, that is when the stock is expiring, the actual stock price is just below your strike price. So that means more than likely the option is going to expire worthless. Of course, it's still 24 cents, but I'm okay to buy it back at 24 cents. And when you sell it for the following week, I can sell it at 100, 101, and I'll get the maximum money. So from buying back and selling for the following week that is rolling out to the next week scenario, this is the perfect situation. The same is true for Boeing. Given Boeing's volatility, though the Boeing is sitting at 168 and my strike price is 172.5, in this case it's a very similar situation when compared to JP Morgan, because Boeing can fluctuate $5, $6 a day. So this is an ideal situation where I can buy back for 25 cents. I can risk it, wait all the way till evening and this will drop down to, like, let's say 10 cents. But I'm not gaining much by just waiting, right? It's basically $26 if I buy it back. And then I can sell it for a much higher strike price and get similar amount of money. Okay, so enough with talking. Let's execute this trade, shall we? So clicking on JP Morgan contract, go to view all options, October 2nd. So I'm buying it back, the 99 strike price, and then selling it for the following week. And where can we get the maximum money? So the $100 one looks really good. So I'll go for the $100 one strike price, though it's just kind of like $1.56 above the current price. I'm comfortable with it. So total credit of $45. I'm going to edit it a little bit. So 4 contracts, I want to take a little bit of risk. So I expect the $99 to go down in value in 1 or 2 hours. So I'll put 60. It's sitting at 69. I'm going to put my limit price as 60. So what's going to happen is I'm trying to buy back the $99 one at like 10 cents or so. Let's see if it executes. If nothing happens, then I'll just change the current prices and try to execute it at like 50 cents at 2 or 2:30 p.m. CST. All right, so review order, and so buy to close, sell to open, submit. Good. So hopefully if it executes in 2 hours, good. If not, I'll change the numbers. All right, so let's get to the next one. So Boeing, I don't have much concerns here. Let's get here, view all options, buy 172.5 strike price, October 2nd, sell October 9. How much am I going to get? Oh, I didn't select. Let's choose a 177.5 strike price, right? It looks good. I don't want 180. So I'm going to get, this is most probably going to get filled soon. One contract, review order, buy to close, and open a new, sell to open, submit. And this one most probably is going to be executed immediately. Let's look at it. Boeing hasn't been executed yet, but it will be soon because I didn't change, I didn't increase the limit price by much. So this JP Morgan is still sitting there. Boeing is also still sitting there, but ideally I'm going to get, so this is one contract, approximately $200 from here, and this one is 60. Let's say it executes at 50 cents. Even then I'm going to get like $200. So 200 plus 200, $400 for this week. Not bad. My account is only like $83,000 account. So let's bring our calculator, and my account is at 83,680. So let's round it to 83,500, and I made $400 this week. Divided by 83, let's put 500. So times 100, I made almost half a percentage return on my account for the week, which is a pretty good return. So if I can make this return all 52 weeks times 52, 24, I'll have a 24% return for the year if I can do this. So power of option trading. So hello friends, now let's look at the actual price at which these trades got executed. So the Boeing short call got executed at the same price that I set, so $1.99. I only had one Boeing contract, so I got $199. And the JP Morgan contract, actually I had initially set it at 60 cents, but it did not get traded. I could not get a fill at 60, so I had to update it to 50 cents for that trade. So if you look at it, I bought it back at 5 cents and got 55 cents, so net 50 cents. So 4 contracts, $200.